Hey, SuperExers! In today's video, I'll show you exactly how to jump into SuperEx $1 right from the SuperEx app. Step 1. Grab your phone and open the SuperEx app. Step 2. On the home screen, find the $1 icon and tap it. Boom! You're in! With as little as 0.1 USDT, you can join and stand a chance to win amazing prizes. Not only top cryptos like BTC, ETH, and USDT, but also big rewards like a Tesla, iPhone, and Mac. Yes, you heard that right. Join with only 0.1 USDT and you could win one whole BTC and other big rewards. It's fast, fun, and simple. Stay tuned for more SuperEx guides and good luck in the draw.